It's kind of like a snapshot in our climactic timeline.
For the first time ever, a scientist here at the University of Winnipeg is studying viruses in Lake Winnipeg, research that could change how we understand the lake's health and what lies ahead. Dr. Emily Chase is a microbiologist and virologist who joined the University of Winnipeg in 2025. She's now leading the first study of viruses that infect algae in Lake Winnipeg. She says when people see algae, they think of the green layer that can cover parts of the lake in the summer. But algae are actually microscopic living organisms. And just like people, they can be infected by viruses.
If you go to a buffet restaurant and you have some sort of lethal virus, it doesn't matter how much food is available. If it's going to be like a fatal virus, like it doesn't matter if the plate is left there full of food. And so it's the same for microalgae. They might have a lot of nutrients around them, but if they're infected with a virus that kills them.
Chase says those viruses don't pose any risk to humans, but they can change how algae grows, spreads, and dies. She says that matters because if algae levels were to shift, that can ripple outward, affecting fish populations, water quality, tourism, and the overall balance of the ecosystem.
Like if I went into a bloom scenario and I took a sample, I could detect viruses there, and then I might be able to say, okay, it seems like this bloom may collapse in a certain amount of time.
Over the past year, Chase and her team have been collecting these water samples from across Lake Winnipeg to better understand how these tiny organisms interact, especially as warmer temperatures and changing conditions impact the lake.
It is my hope that by the end of the year, some of these data are publicly accessible to others, and then year to year we'll continue to provide more data and collaborate with researchers internationally and also nationally.
In Winnipeg, Mitchell Ringos, City News.